Hello, and welcome to TechPure. Today, I'll be showing you the best Christmas gifts. In this video, you will see our list with the best Christmas gifts. This Christmas will be different, but you can still buy nice gifts for your family and friends. Let's start with number 1 on our list. OneStep Plus Instant Film Camera. With the OneStep Instant Film Camera, you can make vintage photos. The camera is easy to use. It connects to the Polaroid Originals app via Bluetooth and unlocks a world of creative features and a new lens for portraits. The results are incredibly cool. On the market are many options. You can test this camera on your own. You will get great results and beautiful memories. Holy Stone HS-161 Foldable Drone. For only $70, you can get a high-quality drone. This is a perfect gift for aerial photography beginners. It can capture full HD video from a range of up to 100 meters. Users can control the foldable gadget via a bundled remote control, using their smartphones as a viewfinder. According to its maker, the HS-161 drone can deliver up to 10 minutes of flight time. We like that its 10,000 mAh battery can double as a power bank for phones and other gadgets. The device's built-in LED light, on the other hand, also doubles as a handy flashlight. Belkin SoundForm Elite Hi-Fi Smart Speaker and Wireless Charger. Do you want a speaker and a wireless charger? Then you can get the Belkin SoundForm Elite. This product is one of the gifts for Google Assistant users. Developed in collaboration with the audio experts from Devialet, the product delivers amazing sound, headlined by a thunderous, distortion-free bass. Available in black or white, the speaker has a convenient wireless charging dock with the maximum power output of 10 watts. It can rapidly charge any iPhone as well as most Android smartphones. Apple AirPods. The Apple AirPods are a no-brainer tech gift, especially when equipped with a wireless charging case. It makes the earbuds compatible with all wireless chargers, allowing users to effortlessly recharge them just like their iPhone. Like all Apple products, the AirPods are backed by an amazing selection of accessories, including protective cases. If you feel like splurging, consider the AirPods Pro with noise-canceling tech. Tile Pro Tracker with replaceable battery. Does your recipient often forget the whereabouts of their iPhone or other personal belongings? These cool gadgets by Tile will help them find it, as long as their phone is within up to 400 feet away. When out of range, the user can count on a vast community of Tile owners to track a lost item. Available in black and white, the Tile Pro trackers are as easy to set up as it gets. All you need are a mobile app and a Tile account. This is a great gift. Fitbit Charge 4 Fitness Tracker. The Fitbit Charge 4 makes a great tech gift because it's loaded with health and fitness tracking functions, and you don't have to be an athlete to find them useful. It is equipped with GPS and Spotify controls, along with a heart rate monitor and sleep tracker. Available with a black or a rose-colored case, this tracker can last up to a week between battery charges. Fitbit also updated its premium health and fitness subscription service. In addition to delivering personalized coaching and guidance based on user data, Fitbit Premium now includes workouts from a multitude of popular fitness apps, as well as access to content for improving the user's mindfulness and other well-being. All new Fitbit products come with free access to the premium subscription for up to a year. Fitbit Premium costs $9.99 per month or a one-time payment of $79.99 annually. If you're looking for all the services that Premium has to offer, plus one-on-one coaching from health experts and trainers, opt for the Fitbit Premium Plus Health Coaching Plan. It costs $54.99 per month, and you could try it free for a week. iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. The iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit is the ultimate gift for a gadget tinkerer. Developed by a team of experts with years of experience in tearing down and fixing gadgets, it contains enough tools to tackle even the most challenging tech project. It includes 64 screwdriver bits and custom opening tools, among many others. All of the tools in the kit are neatly organized in a polycarbonate case, as well as a sturdy canvas roll. iFixit backs its impressive creation with a lifetime warranty. This kit is a perfect one for repairing small electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, PCs, and game consoles. The toolkit includes the iFixit Jimmy, 3 opening tools, and 6 soft plastic picks, 2 plastic spatulas, a metal spatula, a small suction cup, an anti-static wrist strap, and a set of ESD protective tweezers, safe storage and easy transport. Mophie 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Stand. This sleek wireless charger by Mophie is an amazing tech gift for users of Apple gadgets. It can simultaneously charge an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and a set of Airpods with the wireless charging case or AirPods Pro. Of course, the product supports Apple's 7.5-watt wireless charging output, so it can charge an iPhone rapidly. Available in black or white, the space-saving accessory is backed by a robust 2-year warranty. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. GoPro's latest Hero 9 Black Action Camera is a great gift for adventure and action sports enthusiasts. It's sleek, compact, durable, it can go up to 33 feet underwater without a housing, easy to operate, and more feature-packed than any competitor. The Hero 9 Black can capture insanely sharp 5K video and 20 megapixel still images. It can stream your Foleys live in full HD. It even doubles as an awesome webcam. Crucially, the product has the best stabilization tech in its class, ensuring that all of your adventures will be captured with uncompromising clarity. Amazing light mode, you can bring light into the dark for your shots. You can make your recordings easier with the new display, and you will have your camera perfectly under control. iPhone 12 Mini. The all-new 5G-toting iPhone 12 Mini is a great gift for those who like compact phones. It offers the same elegant design and powerful hardware as the bigger iPhone 12 at a lower price point. However, thanks to a 5.4-inch display, the Mini is more compact and much easier to handle. Powered by iOS, the reasonably priced iPhone brings access to a platform with an industry-leading selection of apps, services, and content. You can order it in black, white, blue, green, or a product red finish, a great gift for sure. Apple Watch SE. This is a cheaper version of the Apple Watch. Apple did us a solid and released an SE version of its much-admired smartwatch. Despite its lower price, it's an indispensable tracker of all things in the busy day-to-day hustle. Schedules, text, fitness levels, health reminders, and more. You can pay directly and safely from your wrist, but if you want to get a more expensive version, you can buy the Apple Watch Series 6. PlayStation Classic. Do you have PlayStation fans in your family? Then this is a perfect gift for a great nostalgia moment, and you can play some games too. You will get 20 games on the console, games like Grand Theft Auto, Battle Arena Toshinden, Final Fantasy VII, and much more. PlayStation 5. PlayStation 5 is finally here, and it's the best gift on our list today. If you have the chance to get a PlayStation 5, it will be the best gift, but it will be not that easy to get one for this Christmas. They are limited, and it's pretty hard to get one. The platform was launched in 2 variants, a base model with an Ultra HD Blu-ray compatible optical disc drive, and a digital edition lacking this drive, serving as a lower cost model for those who prefer to buy games through digital download. The PlayStation 5's main feature include a solid-state drive customized for high-speed data streaming to enable significant improvements in storage performance, an AMD GPU capable of 4K resolution display at up to 120 frames per second, hardware-accelerated ray tracing for realistic lighting and reflections, the Tempest engine allowing for 3D audio effects, and backward compatibility with most PlayStation 4 and PlayStation VR games. That was our list for the best Christmas gifts in 2020. If you want a top 10 best Christmas gifts under $100, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button, but don't forget to check the description to see all the links for the products.